have not heard of Ilera Apothecary, so I'm interested to try that out and see if it how it does on these elbows, y'all. It's winter time, my skin be dry. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Whitney. Super excited you decided to watch this video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Beem Box. This is a new subscription that I just joined, and it's a bi-monthly subscription. So this is their November/December box. My first box that I'm ever gotten from this company, and I'm super excited about that. Before we jump into the video, definitely like this video if you like it. Put a comment down below if you have a comment about the Beem Box, about the product that I'm about to unbox here. Love to hear it down below. And if you like my content and want to get notified the next time I put out a new video, I would definitely appreciate you hitting that subscribe button down below. So just a little background on the Beem Box. The Beem Box is a bi-monthly box, and it's $39.95 every other month. And what's a little different about this box is that it's curated for women of color or people with melanin in mind. And then inside the box, we're supposed to get 5 to 6 full-size items. So yeah, I was definitely interested in this box because I've seen a few other YouTubers doing some unboxing, and they seem like they got some really good products out of their subscription with the Beem Box. And on top of that, it's a Black-owned company. So that was something that really intrigued me and why I decided to sign up. So let's not dilly-daddle anymore. Let's jump right into unboxing this. So one thing I'll say is that I absolutely love this box. Like, look at this. How can I like recycle this? Like, I have to keep this for a while because this is a beautiful box. Like, I love it. Like, thinking about other subscription boxes out there, this is probably like one of the prettiest ones. Very artistic, and I love like the red lipstick and like that fur coat. It's like definitely giving some real winter vibes. So kudos to the Beem Box for making a very pretty presentation with that box. So, and this is the first time I'm opening this box, so I have no idea what's inside. So it's just as much of a surprise to me as it is to all you all. So this is the card that's inside the Beem Box. I'm ready for my close-up. Cool. And then it tells you on the back all the items that are inside. And I'll put a link down below to the Beem Box if anybody's interested in learning more about the subscription service. And I'll try to find prices and put those above for you guys as well. I got y'all. I got y'all. Alright, so first things first. Ooh, Medusa Makeup Liquid Lipstick. And this is in, I'm assuming the color is Hanky Panky, and it's a matte, cruelty-free lipstick. Medusa. This beautiful liquid lipstick goes from wet to matte in a matter of seconds. The Stay On All Day formula glides on smoothly for an easy application, then dries to the perfect matte lip. Okay. So I went ahead and pulled it out so I could show you all what it looks like outside the package. And then, ooh, this is a very feisty color here. Yeah, it's a really cool color. Interesting. I don't have a shade like this, so definitely interested to see how that will look on me. But yeah, so that's item number 1. All right, you all, moving forward with the next item. It is Ilera Apothecary Nostalgia Body Butter. So this is delivering a luxurious experience that moisturizes the skin and warms the mood. The Nostalgia Body Butter is 100% organic, providing your skin with the rich nutrients to make it smooth and soft for a glowing experience. Ooh, I like soft and glowing skin. They got me there. Smells okay. That's what it looks like inside. So it's a body butter. Interesting. I have not heard of Ilera Apothecary, so I'm interested to try that out and see if it how it does on these elbows, y'all. It's winter time, my skin be dry. Okay, so item number 3 is actually 2. It is Ari Nail Lacquer, cruelty-free, non-toxic, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. Okay. That's what they look like. And they're in colors Blanco is the white one, Blanco, and then Nude Blush is the more pink color. Interesting. I do not have any vegan-friendly nail polish. And honestly, y'all, I didn't know that was a thing until recently when someone that I worked with told me they had gotten like a vegan manicure. And I was like, that's a thing? So it's cool to have some vegan nail polish. And it's been a while since I've even purchased some nail polish. So these will be use to me. It's something I will actually use. Just so it says on the card, Ari Nail Lacquer. These nourishing vegan nail colors are clean, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly. The colors are formulated without any harmful chemicals. Ari Nail Lacquer is 100% black female-owned. Awesome. Nice. Let's see. Next, product number 4 is Memi or Memi Expert Liner. Memi Expert Liner. Another brand I haven't heard of. So I think it's going to be a liner, y'all. A liner. Let me read what it says. The liner is designed to give you full control and ultra precision with long wearing definition. With the innovative thin and flexible tip, expect a quick drying, smudge proof and water resistant finish in one stroke, as seen in Cosmopolitan magazine. Okay. That's one thing I love. That's one thing I love is eyeliners. Like, I love a good, nice, easy, smooth to apply eyeliner. So hopefully that does the job. So out of the package, this is what y'all, I'm probably saying the name wrong. Memi. This is what it looks like. It's kind of silver, so you can't really see it, but whoop, there it goes. Oh, just have a nice fine tip on that. Okay. Just from first impression looking at this, I'm excited about using it. It looks like it'll have a nice precision tip, so that's nice. Alright, so last but not least, we have this item from Laritzy Cosmetics. Laritzy Cosmetics. So I went ahead and took this out of the packaging. So this is Laritzy Cosmetics. Okay, so it's the Artistry palette. The Artistry palette features a mix of matte and shimmer. These shadows are formulated to deliver a smooth, highly blendable color for a buildable eye look that will take you from day to night. Alright guys, I wanted to read that before I told y'all this was something that it was not. So this is a palette. And there are the colors. The nice color palette, I like it. I mean, I like that purple and I like the lighter shades of pink and blush. Really nice there. And I have never heard of these brands. And I think this box mostly is going to have just kind of like your indie up and coming makeup brands. But I like this. I'm a palette fiend. I love having some good palettes. And like I said, it's Laritzy Cosmetics. And this particular palette is called Royal Artistry palette. If you all can read that if you're interested in finding out more. But I also will include some information in the description below of all the products. So, and that was the last thing. It was cool. I feel like I got a lot of good stuff in here, like in a a good variety of things that I can use like now that I actually need. So kind of just to recap everything that was inside the November/December Beem Box. Laritzy Cosmetics, so it was this palette, a nice palette. The Memi eyeliner pen. The Ari Vegan Nail Lacquer. Sorry, I can't even hold these, like, oh. The Ilera Apothecary Nostalgia Body Butter. And then the liquid lipstick from Medusa Makeup. Cool. So yeah, I really like all these items. Like I said, I feel like it was very intentionally curated. Like they gave us something for our eyes, gave us something for our lips, for our nails, and to keep us moisturized with that body butter. So pretty good box. I actually enjoyed this box. What would be my favorite item? It's kind of hard to say. I really want to try things before I say something's my favorite. But just, you know, on first impressions alone, I'm really excited about the nail polish because I've never had any vegan nail polish. So I'm excited about that. And then, y'all know, I said it already. I'm a palette girl all day long. So I'm really excited to try this palette. Some really cool colors. And then I think I have a third favorite. Not even a favorite, but something I'm super excited to try is going to be this eyeliner. Because that's something, even if I'm having like a foundation-less day or just when I'm going natural, I like to throw in a little eyeliner. So I'm excited to see how this turns out, if it gives me some good precision. Alright, so another unboxing video complete. Thank you all for watching this video. Definitely comment, tell me what you think about these items. Are you a Beem Box subscriber? Do you have any feedback about the video? I would definitely appreciate that. Like, subscribe so you hear about my next videos. I have some more content lined up, so super excited to publish that here so you all can see that. And yeah. All right. Well, see you all next time. Bye.